If you want to know what comes with your cold therapy machine, you came to the right spot. We're going to show you what comes in the box when you get your cold therapy machine. Hi, it's Steve from MyColdTherapy, where we help people get back to living. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in the description box below. Let's jump right into it. Patients are always asking us what comes in the box. How do I know I'm getting the right things? Michelle, please show us what comes in the box.
Today we're going to show you what's inside the box for the Breg Polar Care Cube system. So once you get your box, go ahead and open it up. The first thing you're going to pull out is the skin warning. This just serves as a reminder to never put the pads directly on your skin. After that, you're going to take out your pad if you ordered one. Some people do not need a pad, they just need the cooler. But if you ordered a pad, then it will be the pad for whatever body part you're treating. Once you've taken that out, you're ready to take the cooler out. Now, also in the box is the power supply. So make sure you take that out as well so that you can do your therapy. Once you've made sure everything's in the box, you're ready to begin your therapy.
Now that you know what comes with your cold therapy machine, let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful, and do give us a like. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.